welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Oh my god, you guys, I have been wanting to film an actual video for a long time. We've been doing a lot of vlogs on my channel because I haven't had a setup. I still don't actually have like a real setup. My mom was very nice and got me a backdrop for my birthday, so we're giving it a try. This is like first time, we're trying it out, see how it works. This is the test ride here. I'm doing a very simple video today. You guys know I love Fabfitfun. I have had Fabfitfun for years and I do unboxings pretty often on my channel. If you guys want to see any of my other ones, I do have a playlist. This is the fall Fabfitfun unboxing for 2021. Obviously, the leaves, you see it, you get the vibe, and it's huge. It's a real big box. It is so massive, you guys. Like, it's freaking huge. This is a subscription box. It's $49.99 quarterly, and you get to customize most of your box. It's pretty awesome. You get lots of different things in it: home, makeup, fun stuff for the house. It's really great. I really enjoy it, and I feel like there are so many things from my Fabfitfun boxes that I genuinely love and use all the time. It's always worth it to me. I love it. I will always rave about it. I will always continue to talk about it unless something crazy happens, which I just don't see it happening, because compared to the other subscriptions that I've tried in the past, Fabfitfun does no wrong. Okay, so here's my box. Oh my god, the lid's on my head. There's some fun little stuff on top. They always have little coupons and things for like specific companies. And the little pamphlet thing that tells you about all the products and has some really awesome articles and stuff and recipes. There's so many great things inside this like that are actually like interesting. But anyways, let's go ahead and start getting into the unboxing and showing you guys everything that I got in the fall Fabfitfun box. And I have a confession. I have been letting this sit on my counter for like a week and a half, something like that, because I've been wanting to film this and I've just been real busy and it's killing me because I want to dig in. I literally haven't opened anything, guys. That takes some serious control because I am a person who, when I get my package, I rip it open immediately. But for, you know, for the sake of filming purposes, I try to just like leave things to the side if I'm gonna film it. Side note, how do we feel about the background? It's not well lit. It's not great. That was my phone, sorry. But this is what I have right now, okay? I like pink. Pink's nice. Okay, let's check out this one right here. So first, this is, I literally don't even remember everything that like I customized in the box. I'm able to customize my entire box. I think it's the entire box, maybe minus 2 products or something, because I just pay for the annual subscription because I know I'm gonna love it. There's my AC, sorry if it bothers you. I don't remember what I customized, so this will be fun. Oh, this is, ooh, okay, I remember this. This is the Cloud Nola. Wait, is this what I think it is? Yeah, it is, okay. So, got batteries and a charging cord. Oh my god, I didn't know it was marbled. How cute. This is a little digital clock. I thought this would be super cute to put in one of our rooms. You guys know we just moved it. Well, I don't know if I've announced it like officially yet on my channel, but you guys will find out if I haven't. We just bought a house and the house needs some stuff, although our furniture isn't here from Italy yet. Frustrating. It's not here from Italy yet, but we're definitely gonna need some new stuff because, you know, whenever you move to a new place, there's just things that you end up needing, you know. Every space is different. So this is a little clock. It looks like you can plug it in, but it's also like battery operated. So let's just go ahead and like see what it looks like. Ooh, so you see it just kind of like lights up the time. Very cute. I like it. Ooh, it also tells like the temperature. What else do you do? How does it know the temperature? Is there just like a temperature gauge on this thing or something? I don't know, that's kind of cool though. It tells the temperature too. Fun. So I thought that was really cute. Very excited about that. I'm excited about everything. What's new? Okay, what's in here? I don't know what's in here. Heineken, what are you? What the heck? Is this beer? What is Heineken? Alcohol-free premium. What is this beer? This must be, sometimes they put in like free sample things that companies like want us to try or whatever. So this must be an alcohol-free beer. Heineken is beer, right? Wow, you can tell how much I drink. See, this is where this thing comes in handy. Let's see if maybe it says in here. Oh my god, the recipes in here look so good. They have a recipe for a pumpkin spice latte, collagen latte. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, and an apple crumble. Ooh, some good fall stuff in there. Anyways, it doesn't say anything about the Heineken, but I'm assuming this is an alcohol-free beer. I don't like beer, but cool. That's just a little freebie, I'm pretty sure. I don't, because it wasn't even in the magazine, so I think that's just like a, here, you can try this. Sometimes they do that with stuff. Like, I think I got it like a granola bar from Luna, I think is the brand, one time, and those were freaking delicious. But anyways, moving on. Next thing. So this is the Islands of Italy. As if I haven't been living there for the last 3 years. The Islands of Italy Bath Gel by Capri, maybe? Peach champagne! Oh, you got me. You got me. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my god, I'm definitely using this next. Oh, I love peach, you guys. If you guys knew me, you know that everything that smells like, tastes like, anything to do with peach, give it to me. Super excited to try that. That's a bath gel. Oh, this is fun. So there is this. This is a like party kind of game. It's called Food Drink Trivia. After dinner, shall we open it up and read a few? I feel like this would be a good game for like, if you don't know anything about certain people that are coming over, because I like games like Cards Against Humanity and stuff, although getting a little tired of that because, you know, that's been around for a while. But really fun like adult games, those are super fun. This one's a little bland, I think, but it would be good for people who you're like not sure if they're gonna get like offended, you know. Let's see. Which state is the #1 dairy producer in the US? Do you guys know? Do you guys know? Apparently it's California, generating around 1/5 of all US milk. What is the official nut of Alabama? Guesses, anyone? Anyone? If you guessed pecan, or is it pecan? Whatever floats your boat, you'd be correct. So it's just like little questions like that, where it's like, they're just little food and drink trivia cards. So like in a setting where you're like not familiar with somebody's personality or like how they are, it could be fun. What is this big box? What is this? I need to know what this is. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about this. Oh, this is bigger than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, Fabfitfun always surprising me. This is a little like tray thing. Is that the actual, I don't know if that like goes in there. Oh, I guess it does. Okay, anyways. So this is a little tray. It's got 3 things here. You could put like jewelry in, whatever, you know, you could put this on your bathroom counter. This will be definitely handy for me because I am the type of person that I take my earrings off and just chuck them on my counter. So there's a lot of earrings sitting on my counter. But also you could put like hair ties in here or whatever. Ooh, I'm actually about to do that right now because I have a lot of stuff sitting on my counter that like has no home. So that's really cool. Really like that a lot. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, now we're talking fall time. We got some socks. I'm really excited about getting these socks because I don't have a lot of like high socks, long socks. I have a lot of ankle socks, but I barely have any that are like longer. So I decided to go with the socks. I don't remember what else you could have got. Feel like such good quality socks. Not me, usually. I am so cheap. But if they're gonna come in the box and you're gonna give me some good quality socks, I didn't mean to rhyme, I'll take it. They're not like knee highs or anything, but they're a good size. They'd be great for like boots, you know? So, socks. There's 2 really cool things in here that I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm super excited about it. This one, I'm just like, I don't know. I remember it now that I'm seeing it. This is, I mean, I guess it could be cool. We'll see. This is like a fold up, reusable lunch bag kind of situation. You know, like how when you're younger, if you're my age, I mean, people probably still do this. You would take like a sack lunch to school, like a paper bag sack lunch, you know? Well, it's that, but reusable. So it's like a silicone or plasticky or something. It's a little smaller than I expected, but I guess it could serve a purpose for some things. So yeah, I guess you take like this and do you like roll it down maybe? Roll it down and then put this thing over it like that. Yeah, that's right. So you got a little reusable sack lunch thing. It's a little small, but I get the idea. I can appreciate the idea and design of it, okay? I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of it, but who knows? Maybe I will. I don't know. Sometimes there's things that come in these boxes that I'm like, I will literally never use this, and then it ends up becoming like one of the coolest things ever. No lie, like that actually happens. So there's that. Oh, we got some HelloFresh coupons. What would a Fabfitfun box be without HelloFresh coupons? Okay, this is super cool. This is definitely one of the cooler things that came in this box. I'm so excited to see this and show you guys. So it looks like this when it's folded up. It looks like it's a little bag, but you know, it just makes it easy to carry. Oh wait, you just wait. When you open this sucker up, let me show you. It is a foldable backpack. Oh, isn't that so cool? Have you guys ever seen the parka jackets that like fold up inside of its pocket and gets really small? It's kind of like that, but it's a backpack. Not only that, it's actually pretty like nice. You have a little thing where you can put a drink on it. You have a pocket in the front, which I think is where it like kind of unfolded from. Cute little cheetah print. Is there another pocket in the back here? Is that what this is? Yeah, you have one little pocket in the back, and then you have the big pocket that also has little pockets on the inside, and this is like actually a really decent sized backpack. Wow, I'm really impressed with this. I really actually am. I thought it was gonna be super like cheap, and even though it's like kind of a thin kind of like material, but I mean that allows it to shrink down really small, so it's easy to carry around with you. But even though it has that thin material, it still feels really nice. Like even the straps are padded and feel like they'll be comfortable. Oh yeah, I'm really into this. I like this a lot. This would be so great to like keep in your car, and just like, you never know when you're gonna need a bigger bag. I'm really into this. I totally could have used this when we were in Italy. Oh man, it would have. I'm still gonna use it. We're still gonna travel here in the States, but like if I was, that would have been perfect in Europe. I almost missed this because it was so tiny. I think this is another sample thing that like isn't technically a part of the box, but this is the Dove Advanced Care Deodorant Dry Spray. Okay, I've never used a deodorant spray before. I know they're like not anything new, but I just have never personally used one. Let's see what it like smells like. It smells really good. It's cucumber. I'll definitely give that a try. You know, that's cool. Now this is super exciting. It doesn't look exciting because it's in a box. It's a freaking pan, you guys. We literally got a pan. That is, I think it's just so cool. There was another option for a Dutch oven, but I opted for the pan because like honestly right now, you guys, I needed this more than a Dutch oven. And the Dutch oven pan was cool, but I think it looked a little small, and I use these little pans like this so much. This is great for like eggs, you know, breakfast time. I use these little pans a lot. This is by Phantom Chef. I'm not really sure as far as like the quality goes, but it feels really nice. Look at this handle. Is this not so cool? It has like a soft touch to it. This is very nice. Very nice. I'm pretty stoked about this because I have been using a cast iron skillet that's really big for the past month or something. Every time I cooked, and like to use, it's literally like over 12 inches, I think, maybe 14 inches. It's huge. So to have this little one right now is like gonna be a luxury for me until my household goods come. But not only that, I do feel like because I use these little ones so much, it's nice to have another one because my other one is kind of getting pretty worn. But it's just nice to have a second one because I use these the most. So I'm really excited about this freaking pan, you guys. Like, I'm super excited. It's so pretty. Oh, and it just makes me think of like a campfire. I don't know. Do you get that vibe? I get that vibe. Maybe it's because it's wooden. I don't know. So that's everything that came in my box. Although I did get a little add-on. I got the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. I love this dry shampoo. And they do also add-ons, so you can get like extra products sent into your box. This is a subscription add-on, so is that what it's called? Basically, it's gonna order this every time I have a box come in, and it's like super inexpensive. $10 maybe, something like that, compared to like 20 something it normally is. And I love this dry shampoo. It is freaking bomb. It's so good, and I use dry shampoo all the time, so getting this like once every 3 months is perfect. perfect. That's everything that came in my box, you guys. Oh my god, it was so good. Every time I do these, I am just so excited because everything is so good. Of course, there's some things that I'm like about, but there's always that in a subscription box, and overall I still think it makes it worth the $50 because the things that I do use are 100% worth way more than $50. So it's exciting to me, and it feels like a gift every like 3 months. Like, I seriously love Fabfitfun. Ugh. Ugh, I hope that one day I can work with them. Like, they're a company I would love to work with one day. Oh my god, I love Fabfitfun. Anyways, that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much if you watched this video. I really appreciate it. I know this video never gets really like a lot of views, but I just genuinely love this box so much that I want to do it and I want to share it because everybody needs to experience it. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!